Hi everyone, this is teacher Hazetee, and for this episode, I'm going to teach you how to activate your DepEd Commons account. And we're back with another tech tutorial, and for tonight, I'm going to teach you how to activate your DepEd Commons account as a teacher. So, first up, you have to open your internet browser. And for this session, I'll be using Opera. So once you head on to your internet browser, you may just type Microsoft.com. So Microsoft.com, it's already in my search history. Ayan, so we're now at the landing page of Microsoft.com. So you can just click here the person icon. You can see there from the upper right corner of the web page. Click that and then log in using your credentials. Of course, we'll be using our DepEd Microsoft 365 account from the central office. So ours in DepEd Region 4A ends with the domain name r4a-3.deped.gov.ph. So it differs from region to region. So right now, I'm going to use my login credentials. Okay, so we're now logged in to the Microsoft page. So now, we'll be tapping on the three dots icon at the upper right portion of your browser. So this differs from browser to browser, and then we'll click desktop site. So click desktop site, and from there, you are still logged in. So now what you're going to click on is All Microsoft. So click there, All Microsoft, at the upper right corner of the page, and from the list of options, just select Outlook. So click Outlook, and you will be directed to the landing page of Outlook, the email service provided by Microsoft. So I'm going to log in again. And it already recognized our login because we already did that earlier in the Microsoft homepage. So now, just head over to your inbox and then look for that message from DepEd Commons. Ayan, so we have here DepEd Commons mailer. Click that. So mine was sent pa pala last September 12, but I didn't see that. So because of too many tasks going on. Anyway, so ayan, so just read that message, click that message open. So it says here that your DepEd Commons account is created and needs to be activated. So there are a lot of concerns from teachers that they weren't able to see their DepEd Commons account notice in their DepEd Gmail account. So the reason that this might be possible because the activation email might be sent to your Microsoft accounts. Let us not forget that we have two email accounts from DepEd. One is from Google. We have our DepEd email ending at deped.gov.ph, and this one from Microsoft that ends in @ followed by the region and then .deped.gov.ph. So much for that right now. So just read that message from DepEd Commons mailer. So ayan. So it says here, welcome to your DepEd Commons account. To activate, click on this link and set up your password. So let's click on that link that is sent through our account. So now you just have to fill in the following fields with details. Ayan. So my browser right now is in dark mode, so that's why you're seeing the page in dark mode as well. So your email address has been successfully confirmed. Please set your desired password. So ayan. So there's also a notice that access to this website comes for free if you're mobile subscribers of Globe, TM, Smart Sun, and TNT. Ayan. So this service is free access brought to you by DepEd and Globe and Smart in cooperation with DICT and NTC. Ayan. So there's a DepEd Commons page. So you're now prompted to change your password and to confirm that password. Ayan. So I'm gonna change my password right now. And you have to set one that is more than 8 characters. Ayan. So, your password has been changed successfully and you are now signed in. Ayan. So, you can see which email you use to activate your account. And now, you have to set now the personal details for your account. So, I am teaching. Ayan. Click that and you will see that it will change from white to blue. So now you just have to fill in the following details: first name, middle name, last name, mobile number, whether you're prepaid or postpaid, current network provider, preferred prepaid network provider designation, and then your school. So I'm going to fill in the following right now.
A few moments later.
Already finished filling out the form field. So now I'm just gonna click update. And there you have it, profile successfully updated. And now you can just look for the resources you need uploaded in the website. So there you have it. So I did this tutorial because there was a memo that circulated last September 15, and it says that so I'm quite far from the computer screen, that's why I cannot read it from here. But the memo says that this is a data gathering on your preferred mobile internet network provider. So the Department of Education is preparing for the provision for monthly connectivity and communications expense from the major telcos for employees across the department. That is why, in order to qualify for this assistance, you have to log into your deped.gov.ph email, which we already did. Next is to confirm your DepEd Commons account activation, which we already did. Updating all the information needed as what I showed in the form fields earlier, plus clicking submit. We were successful in doing all those steps. Be reminded that deadline of registration to qualify for this provision, for this assistance, will be on September 21 at 12 noon. You have to note that from that memo I'm talking about, only those who have registered and activated their accounts will be qualified as beneficiaries of the connectivity and communications expense. So if you have if you have queries regarding this, you may just contact commons.helpdesk@deped.gov.ph. Ayan. And this memo is signed by Usec Alain Pascua from the Office of the Undersecretary for Administration. And with that, I hope that you learned something. And this is a very important step that we have to take for us to qualify for the provision for monthly connectivity and communications expense from DepEd. Ayan. So, it all shows na mahal tayo ng DepEd. So, with that, thank you so much and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course to click on the bell button so that you'll be updated of my future uploads. Thank you!